Good morning. Welcome to another Design Make Play show. Ella Khorvash is here. I'm a materials engineer and I'm the instructor of Fusion 360 here at ZenMaker Lab. And today I want to teach you how to change the materials of your model in Fusion 360. Let's dive in. Starting from where we left off in last episode, I want to teach you how to change the appearance of your model or how to select a material for your model. So let's start with this vase that we made. Let's say we want to make a glass vase. So you can see the physical material here, and you can see all the options that we can have from it. So I want a glass. I just drag and drop into the vase, and it should be changed, but if not, I'm going to do it again with appearance. This time I'm gonna go with this glass. Yes, now we can see that it's made of glass. But for the cup here, instead of changing the appearance, I want to change the physical material. So let's make a ceramic cup. I just drag and drop it here, and as soon as I close, I can see that we have this cup made of ceramic. And let's check the properties of that. So here again, I'm gonna check all the bodies, and it's the body 12. I right click on it and we can see the properties here, and the box comes up and you can see that we have the mass, the volume, the physical material, and all the other properties here in the box. But what if we need a screw? We can just use this insert here and insert MacMaster, and you can see bunch of tools and screws and fastening and joining here. You can choose them, and when you select one, you just need to go down and you can have the actual design of it. That's it for now. We can have some more tools for next sessions. Well, we changed the materials and the appearance of our model here in Fusion 360 so that we can check how it would look like in real life. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will be covering joints and components in next episode. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.